Eddie Richard Kingston eba on board.
Sure.
Quickly. Omo hwe no muntimi miti ni demands na omo mfa mbeka technical team no ho because you know has to folk may send the target bi amomo.
Ona all send the target has.
Omo make sure say anytime Ghana Black Stars ebeko major tournament bia no, the goalkeeper for Ghana should be their product. My advice to them no. They mention what I say. They say Benjamin Asare akwa could place has to folk at a certain level over the global stage. Eugene, for you to pull 9 saves against Hurricane, Bukayo Saka, Declan Rice, Jude Bellingham, Eugene, a chrese baby a unya development free air banner. I was say we are say any attention with that particular club Benjamin Asare a free air. Intimacy almost say we a personal plea. May Sre House of Folk say omo fan to omo ho so say anytime a Ghana ever come major tournament biano, the goalkeeper has to be House of Folk product. And ubenya such accolade and as a such achievement Eugene, it starts from the person or develop goalkeepers, or training goalkeepers, or more fat the series of goalkeeping drills and I'll bet me a make it target not reality. Richard Kingston has seen it all as a personal goalkeeper, whilst other goal posting him for the Black Stars of Ghana. Was I any the chance to play in the English Premier League? He also had the chance to join the Black Stars as a goalkeeper's trainer. Into Eugene, we a club House of Folk. Now of goalkeeper, I'm going to make it this historic mark at the World Cup. I was with me an institutional memory. Intact. I will be making sure say goalkeeper biara obe pass it through the rank and file of that particular club. House of Folk, the point of discussion no. Eugene, I also want to on board. And Olele is 80% right for that position. Provided say on also ban Eugene or be far to no so now I adwuma so no one far to no say sa benchmark na Benjamin Asare apeja House of Folk at the global stage, you know. It's either say yes, Eugene, you cannot take away the credit from Najau. And he said to maintain that benchmark, whilst you've let off your previous goalkeeper's trainer, and also unya like for like change. And I think say what Jai Najau now with the Richard Kingston Eugene. So many people and about the praises for that particular appointment because the man in question, Richard Kingston, has proven beyond reasonable doubt say Oman the goalkeeper's trainer, he will be able to develop, he will be able to train your goalkeeping department to the level of especially when Abraham goalkeeper the current contender as Ghana's goalkeeper one goalkeeper. So has
Ghana's goalkeeper one goalkeeper.
Ghana's number 1 goalkeeper.
Okay.
So House of Folk company for they should be very quick.
Okay.
No more than on board biano omonye considerate no more fanemra.
My minister ne dey na me family.
Eugene minister Akasa. Say no ide ye nyina ye aware ne say nioma na FND di sie yen nioma na sports ministry di sie yen no at long last untimi go gina parliament house na deny and na overlook say ya we say the ministry at the 53 million Ghana cedis and the ball Black Stars home bra e wo World Cup no enti dia can say ye ba be hwe the expenditure of this particular sum of money if free the finance minister ho ekoye. Now my worry the Ghana's sports fund. Eugene, this is a fund that I call the Parliament House. Whatever necessary measures I was say yet to be considered as an sports fund not to Mubiano. I think the nation has undergone such regime. I call Parliament House. Solitary for funds. Mining companies discover the president, the brother of the president, Ibrahim Mahama, Emmaska, Eugene, to buttress my point, you know, when you said the sports fund, Omodo Muhammad Bichira.
Oh, sure.
And I was very surprised, say, Media Minister of Finance. Number saying the PDF of minister anudisem. Number to me as porto minister highlighting Ghana's sports fund. That's my worry. That is my worry. And until I say the sports minister, irrespective of Ejuma Wagwaye for the Black Stars at the World Cup, enna nankibe here no money mo pa because Eugene, the sports fund never existed. Mustafa never had an idea say oh yes no. During the 8 years of the MPP previous government, they never had an idea. But just this short period, I Kofi Idia that was buying Eugene. What Timmy instituted this thing, I pass it through the necessary legal procedure. I'm import. You pass a bill on it. When you said there is a sports fund bill, I pass it. So I was really surprised. The finance minister never mentioned or highlighted an amount from the government to the sports fund. Import assets now. We should have a fair view of amount of money or accounting him. Assets now. Omo modiaba, omo my pledges. So a 100 day, I will not falter much more on the finance minister. What's the finance minister now? J report from all the ministries. No a consolidate.
There's a sports then in Koyana.
So I written a blame the sports ministry.
Okay, Mate.
One am the buy. Eti some more ya no ya in year. And you might be saying, no, also more factor room. The only what I say. I think say a Dutch now you be real much more.